Vocabulary number 6, basic signs. These are some signs that should help you be able to sign things about going to class and going to school. It's going to be more important because as we get towards the end of Unit 1 and definitely into Unit 2, my voice will be going off more and I should be able to sign more to you and you should be able to understand me better. The first sign is review. I'm going to try not to sign this version, but this is the sign version I first learned, and it is so my favorite. So it is an R coming backwards through a list of things. You're going back over them. So review. A non-initialized version, review, same thing. Going backwards over a list. And then a comprehensive review. Thoroughly going through everything. More fingers, showing that it's more involved. A comprehensive review. Similar to thumbs up, the A-OK, ideal, perfect, in my favor, benefits me. Perfect. My two F's come towards each other, like they're right exactly on top of each other. Perfect. Perfect. Attempt with an A hand shape, or try. Sometimes you'll see that with a T hand shape. Attempt, try. Correct, right. My strong hand taps on top of my weak hand. Right, correct. Wrong, incorrect. Error, error, incorrect. Again, repeat. Again, repeat. Do over. Forget. You're wiping whatever you had in your head off of it. I forgot. The other one is blank mind version of forget. This middle finger forward represents space, emptiness. So I'm saying it's empty up there. I forgot. 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 Remember. Remember can come onto your thumb or onto the back of your thumb. I might ask, did you remember? With my eyebrows up looking at you as a question. Did you remember? And the mental note. Remember, make a mental note. You're taking a little sticky or a little push pin and you're making a little note on your forehead. Same. Same. My two hands are lined up next to each other and showing that they are the same. Same. Same as, similar to, same, similar to. And then I can directionalize that, me too. So that same sign, I turn it around. I'm pointing with my thumb towards myself, me, and I'm pointing towards you with my pinky, you. Same between me and you. Same me or me too. So if somebody tells you something, I don't like summer. It's too hot. And you could say, same for me. Me too. Different or difference. So we had our hands together for same. Now they're going to split apart for different. Different. And many different things. Different, different, different. You'll see deaf people mouth that dip, dip, dip. Different. Many different things. Example, or to show. You might see me sometimes sign it with an E. I initially learned signed English in like junior high. So some of my signs are still more English than the non-initialized variation. To show you, I'm pointing it at something and showing it to you. Example. I'm showing, example. Discuss. That thing I was showing you, I'm tapping it on my hand now. Discuss. To chat. Chat. See how kind of, if you look at it, like my hands are just wiggling around, like I'm signing a bunch of things. Chat. Talk. These are all the things that are coming out of my mouth. I'm saying things. So talking. Dialogue. Saying one thing, another person says another thing. Talking back and forth. Dialogue. Or an older variation of the sign for to talk. And last, to have. To possess. I have it. I'm holding whatever it is on my chest. I have it. I possess it. Usually signed with one hand, a 1. It's usually signed with 2 hands, but a one-handed variation is a more casual version. Where is it? Have it already. So 2-hand or 1-hand variation. And the next video will be snapshot number 6. Faces are important too.